very good morning everyone. Myself Samarth Sir, faculty of Yojna IAS and having education credentials from Delhi Technological University and University of Texas. I am here in front of you to share about the information of our new Sociology Optional batch at Yojna IAS that will be starting from 22nd of February. If I am talking about the planner of sociology, so it will be taking around 85 classes. That is, the topic we are going to cover in this batch would be sociology as discipline, sociology as science, research, sociological thinkers, stratification, mobility, and economic life, politics and society, religion and society, system and kinship, and sociological in modern society. If I am talking about this entire of the paper 1 would be taking around 50 classes. Okay. Then proceeding to paper number 2. If I am talking about paper number 2, so in paper number 2 we would be covering regarding that is introducing our Indian society, that is in 12 classes. Then social structure in 12 classes. Then if I am talking about the next of the thing is social changes in India, and that we will be covering in 11 classes. So if I am talking about entire of the paper 2, that would be covered in around 35 classes. So 50 classes for paper 1 and 35 classes for paper 2. So around, if I am talking about 85 classes. I personally feel that having cracked several of the examinations, that is if I am talking about being International English Olympiad qualifier, then I have cleared UPSC Civil Services as well as UPSC, CDS and NDA several of the time. So I know that what it requires to crack several of examination. So I think I would be justifying with the subject, and obviously I will be telling you in the most child friendly manner. So see you there on 22nd of February.